Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can make one long page for your documents on Google Docs really quickly. So let us get started and head over to Google Docs. So as you can see guys, I'm in that example document here. And if I keep scrolling down guys, I will be given the opportunity to skip from page 1 to page 2, from page 2 to page 3. And as you can see, these pages are separated by these separations here. And if you'd like to remove these and basically create the pageless document, all you need to do guys is click on File in the top left corner, select Page Setup here from the drop down menu, and here in the Page Setup, switch from Pages to Pageless to set a pageless document and to remove these separations. And that's basically it. You may click on Set as Default, for example, to make a pageless document your default page setup, or simply leave it like that to apply the pageless setup only for the current document. Confirm by clicking on OK here, or set a background color if you like for a pageless document. And that should do it guys. As you can see, these page separations have been removed successfully. And that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.